You want to install the Accessing Health database into go to C drive, then go to Sp2. Up here you should see custom DB, custom database, and then you put it into the folder here. Now I've already put ours in, but you would drop it in here. Now to import it in, what you do is you go to the Sp2 database, and then you click on this right there, and find and double click, and it automatically brings it in here, and then you hit user programs and you type in custom, CUST, enter, and there's the database right there, H and K, and all that's the database.